Good evening, everyone. As everybody knows,
Good
love
evening.
touches everyone. With this beautiful theme, Team Etherish organized an International Women's Day special organization with beautiful women participants from around the globe in different categories like arts, literature, and photography. It was great working with all of you, and it was good to see women participants from all age groups and both self-taught as well as professional creators joining in this beautiful exhibition. Let me just introduce you to the beautiful and respected jury members before they announce the results. Okay. Uh, in the literature category, we have chosen Dr. Deepak Kovar, who is an ace author, emerging artist and photographer, you can say, and has won several poetry recitation competitions. He's from Maharashtra, India. So let's give him a big round of applause and welcome. Then we have Shankar Sonawani sir, who is in JJ Art by alumni. He's a legend artist and has won a lot of awards. He's a great mentor for the upcoming artists as well, and take care of a lot of art festivals too. So thank you so much, Shankar sir, for joining in. Welcome you.
Thank you.
Then I have Vivek. Vivek is an ace photographer and has won a lot of photography competitions. He is quite good when it comes to capture nature and abstract photography. Vivek, thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Okay.
Good
so
to be here.
We'll start with the literature category. Deepak sir, all over to you. आप literature category में जो top 6 winners हैं, आप उन्हें announce कर सकते हैं. Let me just give you a brief. This decision was not only taken from the expertise or technical point of view, but also from 3 other parameters, which were discipline, social behavior, and past experience. And when we come to social behavior and discipline, a lot of things were taken into account, including a 360-degree marketing feedback. Because we firmly believe whenever we choose a winner, somebody who is associated with such a prestigious exhibition, the winner should be somebody who is quite kind and a great inspiration to others. Deepak sir, all over to you. Ab please winners announce kar dijiye.
Thanks everybody. I am from Maharashtra, and as a poet, I would express certain thought about poetry, and result will be declared. One should be aware that when we are poets, so we think certain things which pinch our mind, and we place the words, the certain thoughts, certain vision, certain sight which influence us to present a thought that pinch or that is pleasant also. So we produce poems and they are likable.
Well said. सर ऑडियंस वेट कर रही है लिटरेचर कैटेगरी टॉप 6
करते वक्त वैसे हाँ लिटरेचर कैटेगरी में आता है तो इसमें उसका सौंदर्य जो है पोएम का वो थोड़ा सा देखा जाता है, उसमें थॉट जो भरा है उसको कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट किया है क्या, कुछ जैसा एक फूल को ऐसा बोलने का वैसा बोलने का, ऐसा कुछ को अलग ढंग से प्रेजेंट करने के वास्ते हम थोड़ा सा उसको सोचते हैं कि इसको पहला नंबर देना चाहिए, इसको दूसरा आएगा, ये तीसरा लगेगा, ऐसा एक सोच अपने हमारे दिल में आ जाती है तो उस ऊपर से डिसीजन होता है। वैसे उसका टॉपिक जो आपने जो दिए हैं उसके हिसाब से 6 लोग तो आपने चुन लिए हैं, हमने नाम बताना है अभी?
हाँ सर बता दीजिए। आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी इज क्यूरियस टू नो because the competition was really
हाँ,
tough
तो
and all creations were great.
yes, 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 yes. That competition was thought tough. Yes, and there are 6 winners of as we go broad. First is डॉक्टर राजमती पोखरना सुराना, उनकी पोएम थी बीज से अंकुरित होकर, और उसमें से मैं बताऊं, सौंदर्य तो देता ही है अपने उपवन को, सौंदर्य तो देता ही है उपवन को, साथ ही खुशबू से महकाता है। ये उनकी लाइन्स अच्छी लगती है, राजमती पोखरना मैडम। दूसरी पोएम है सीमा नितिन मेहता, हे मनुजा घे तू भरारी। तो ये मेरे ख्याल से मराठी वर्ड समझ में नहीं आएंगे, तो ये जैसा अपन पंछी को बोलते अच्छे से उड़ जाओ या फ्लाई करो, तो इस सोच का इसमें तीसरा नाम है दीप्ति नायक। दीप्ति नायक है, अच्छा, सीमा नितिन मेहता की जो पंक्तियां दो अच्छी है, मैं बताऊंगा। जपू या सृष्टि निसर्गाची किमया सारी, तो अब मैं बोलूंगा इसमें राहु काया वाचा मना ने सुविचारी। तो इन्होंने ऐसा कहा है कि जैसा सृष्टि है, अपने एनवायरनमेंट अपना है, उसको हम अच्छे से प्रिजर्व मन से और अपने सुविचारों से उनको हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे और उसको एक अच्छा माहौल अपना एनवायरनमेंट रखेंगे, ऐसा इनका कहना है इसमें। और उसकी बात है दीप्ति नायक, कोई तो होगा ना, तो ये पोएम है उनकी, जिसके चेहरे पर चेहरा न होगा, कोई तो होगा ना जिसके चेहरे पर चेहरा न होगा। दीप्ति नायक की पंक्तियां अच्छी है, देखो, कोई तो होगा ना जो मुझे मेरी तरह पसंद करेगा, थॉट उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। चौथा है सोनिया मलिक मैडम का है, शॉर्ट स्टोरी है कुछ, आपने बताया, तो वो भी आपके विनर के है। पांचवें जो है तो मेधा जोशी मैडम का है, मेरे लिए प्रेम की परिभाषा, ऐसा उनके पोएम है। तो उसमें एक लाइन अच्छी महत्व की दी है, प्रेम ही जीवन का मूलभूत आधार, प्रेम ही है जीवन का मूलभूत आधार। और उसके बाद छठी मंसूरी मैडम, उनका थ्रू एंडलेस हाइट्स एंड गोल्डन डेज, उसमें पंक्तियां अच्छी है, नो डिस्टेंस वाइड, नो टाइम टू फार, मदर्स लव आवर गाइडिंग स्टार। तो मदर का प्यार जो है तो हमको गाइड करता है कि आगे बढ़ने के लिए, आगे जीवन में जाने के लिए। तो इस तरह से 6 विनर आपके लिए चुन गए थे, तो इसमें भी सबके अच्छे है, बाकी पोएम भी वैसे बुरी नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी है।
थैंक यू दीपक सर, आपके टाइम के लिए।
हमको हर दिन नया नया इम्प्रोवाइज करना पड़ता है खुद को। हाँ, थैंक यू मैडम, आपने हमको इस प्रोग्राम में शामिल कर लिया, मौका दिया कि जजिंग कर सके कुछ।
जी,
तो आपके तरफ जाते हैं,
ओवर टू यू। जल्दी जल्दी हम इसको वाइंड अप करेंगे। टॉप 10 आप विनर्स बता दीजिए आर्ट्स कैटेगरी में। शंकर सर,
टॉप पता है मैडम?
हाँ, अब शंकर सर आर्ट्स कैटेगरी का अनाउंस करेंगे विनर्स।
मैडम मेरे आर्टिस्ट लोग का नाम नहीं मेरे पास मैडम।
सर मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप किया है।
हाँ, आप करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा मैडम, प्लीज।
Vivek, in the meanwhile, you can announce the top 4 winners.
Yeah, for photography, the top 4 winners that have been chosen is Rachna Sharma, then Deepika Roy,
Congratulations,
Usha,
Deepika,
and
was really good.
And Sonali.
Congratulations to the winners.
Yeah, Sonali.
ओके, शंकर सर आप देख लीजिए एक बार।
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है देखता हूँ मैडम, टाइम लगेगा मैडम, आप करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। प्लीज।
ओके, शंकर सर ने वैसे
ओके
जजमेंट तो दे दिया है. If you guys want, I can
हाँ
announce
हाँ
the same. Top 10.
ओके
Tora Jyoti Bora Manas. Her works were really good, and congratulations. Bhavna Maru. Then we have Lakshmi Priya Sethi. Then Momi Goswami, Meena M. Patel, Shami Bhagat, Durga Yukta, Emily Moreo, Mamta, and Christina. So these were the top 10 art winners. Congratulations to all of you.
Well done.
And one thing what I want from
Well
all
done.
of you is please send the artist statement, I mean the certificate of authenticity, one high definition photograph of your work, whether it's in the literature category, photography, or arts, and mail to us. When we talk about certificate of authenticity, it's a statement that this work is created by you without using any references, and you can mention the title, medium, description of your creations. I hope that's clear to everybody, because we are gonna put the top 10, the creations of top 10 and the top 6 and top 4 winners in our store for a week's time, and we'll be sharing it with the prospective buyers. The same goes with the rest of the winners, but the difference would be that would be put only for one day. Okay. And we had one public voting also, and surprisingly, Tora, who won the jury, award, also won the popular voting award. Congratulations. Jyoti, can you please unmute yourself? She's an art teacher, and her creations
Yes,
are really
thank
beautiful.
you so much.
I mean, that was quite surprising because she won 2 awards, and the surprise gift for the popular voting, the category was being a brand ambassador for our brand for a year, along with the complimentary entry in our calendar,
Thank you
upcoming
so much.
calendar exhibition. There will be some other monetary benefits too that we will be discussing later, one-on-one. Okay. And it was wonderful working with all of you. I think we learned a lot from each other. And Christina, congratulations. You are also among the top 10 winners in the arts category. She is live from France.
Yes, I'm happy to see you, and I'm very great and nice to present my paintings in India.
Okay. Emily is also a winner, by the way. She was also a title holder back in 2022 with us.
I'm going to present my. I'm going to present my painting.
Yeah.
About flamenco, the special dancer of Spanish dance.
Okay.
Flamenco, Spanish dance. Okay. And I'm practice this dance in France and in Spain. So it's my favorite theme.
France is definitely quite pro with art.
Yes, about love, passion, love, dance. It's very nice for me to represent this dance in all over the world because I'm dance Zigan dance. You know Zigan dance?
Not really.
No.
Maybe you can write to us and explain. I'm not too sure whether too many people will understand.
With several colors. Yes, with several colors. A very large dress.
Okay.
And I'm dancing with this dress.
Okay.
In show in France.
All right.
And my paintings are very colored. And it's my favorite theme, the love and dance.
Okay. And I'm going to announce 2 more awards that are from my end because I really like the behavior of 2 participants. Everybody's behavior was great. However, 2 participants were really, you can say, proactive in helping and developing a positive attitude. One is Harpreet ma'am, Harpreet Arora ma'am, and the other is Mehak. So for these two, I also have something. I'm also giving you complimentary entry to my upcoming calendar exhibition. The calendar exhibition has been a huge hit because it comes with monetary benefits too. So congratulations, Mehak and Harpreet ma'am. Harpreet ma'am is on mute, I guess. मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात जो आपकी लगी थी हरप्रीत मैम वो ये कि विदाउट एनी सेल्फिशनेस, जब मैंने आपको कहा कि आप और लोगों को भी प्रमोट कीजिए, एनकरेज कीजिए, आपने विदाउट थिंकिंग कि मैं भी लूज कर सकती हूँ, आपने वो किया. सो दैट इज द स्पिरिट व्हिच इज वेरी रेयर टू सी नाउअडेज. So
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा था कि
you deserve this award from my end.
मुझे आप में मुझे एक चीज भी अच्छी है बहुत